Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we're going to be stocking up on some very cheap Scott paper products over at Walgreens. And this is the sort of deal that I think everybody should do because it's just so cheap at $1.95 per unit. You know, a package is a unit. It's so great. So a friend of mine in Lansing sent me these screenshots last night. The Scott is currently buy one, get one 50% off. And if you look at the bottom, there's something there that's a little bit different. My store didn't have these tagged yesterday at the crack of crow, but hers did later in the afternoon. $10 register reward when you spend $35 on participating. It says Cottonelle, Scott, Huggies, Goodnight. Sorry, it's fuzzy. That's the resolution she sent it. But Scott is tagged in there. So this week, these paper products are part of it, and the tag is near there. So double, triple check at your store that it's there, because she told me that her register reward didn't print, and I know a lot of other people on social media are dealing with the same thing. But still a deal worth chasing if it's tagged at your store, because they'll have to give it to you post. So these paper products are buy one, get one 50% off. And who knows, guys, maybe as the week marches on later in the week, it'll work perfectly. You know, the Shea Moisture register rewards were also not printing the way that we thought they would yesterday. So here we have it. You're going to load the following digital, which is $1 off for the paper towel. So grab at least one of those. And then I did check on Shopmium, and the rebate for that has since vanished. So apologies about that. So we're just going to look at this deal. Everybody can do it this way. You're going to load this booster. Most of us have it, which is a 7-back when you spend $30. So make sure you have this guy loaded for this deal. And, you know, even with Easter next weekend, if you're hosting people or if you gift, you know, household goods, this would make a great item to just throw in with an Easter basket for adults. So in store, you have to do this one in store because there's a register reward involved. Grab 10 of these products, and yes, you can mix and match. Make sure the tag is there, so if the register reward isn't printing, that you have some recourse. 10 of them is $37.50 on a buy one, get one 50% off. You have your booster loaded, which is a 7-back when you spend $30. Subtracting the $1 digital. With your debit card, you're going to pay $36.50. Then you're getting back $7 in Walgreens cash for the booster and one $10 register reward, making it $19.50 for the 10 packages or $1.95 per package. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, as you have, you know, that promotion of spend 30, get back 7. It's going to monkey things up. I also recommend that if you might have a manufacturer register reward from another deal, say the Pantene deal last week, you can definitely throw that in to lessen your out of pocket. That would be smart. Now let's look at this deal in a different way. A 5-back when you spend $20, which is a paper booster that comes out of the Catalina machine, along with your digital one that, you know, you just load automatically to your store account. Pretty straightforward stuff here. If you have these two, it's an extra $12 back. So I took the liberties here just to do the math. So in store again, 10 of those is $37.50. Scan the paper booster, have your digital booster loaded. Subtracting one digital, you'll pay $36.50 with your debit card. Get back $12 in Walgreens cash and then a $10 register reward. Pay attention, the register reward, is it printing, yes or no? Even ask the cashier, are the register rewards printing this morning? Maybe a smart thing to do. $14.50 back for the 10 or $1.45, which is a much better deal if you can get your hands on one of those paper boosters. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance as you're doing this with the boosters. And just be really, really mindful with this one that if it's not printing, you know, that's not great. But I would definitely try and do this deal this week because it's a great stock up price. Certainly a lot of chatter on social media yesterday about this deal. The 40 count of the Persil Pro Clean are tagged 2 for $8, curbside only. This isn't an in-store price, it's curbside only. If your store might still have a couple in stock, I would try, but it might be a harder one to track down. I couldn't find anything yesterday, so that's why I wasn't talking about it. But so many people in the comments were mentioning this, so you know, if you can find it, make it happen. Use some Walgreens cash. And there might be an IBOTTA rebate as well. Double, triple check once you get your receipt. Is it working? Is it not working? Blah, blah, blah. And then yesterday, guys, I made a video in store, some basic deals, a basic $30 basket, trying to make things happen. So if you wish to check out this video, I will link it at the very end. We even have Rimmel Cosmetics for 69 cents. You might want to check it out. I will link it at the very end. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.